let me show you what's new in the settings. What is new is if you go to unenrollment and suppression, right down here, you'll see schedule workflow to turn off automatically. I can check this on and then say, oh, okay, I want this board to turn off on the 31st at 12:30 a.m. So Nancy, give an example when this would be relevant to.
Yeah, so let's say you're running a special, but your special's only going to go through July 31st. And so you've got a particular email that you're sending out, or maybe even a whole nurturing email campaign that's going to go through till July 31st. Starting August 1st, everything changes. So you want to be sure to have this turned off no later than July 31st. So you're not still sending nurturing emails to people that are no longer valid after July 31st. And if you're doing this, and especially, if you've got it just for a week, that's one thing, but you could have a special that's several months off. Well, you can put a reminder to yourself to try to remember on the calendar, oh my gosh, I got to remember to turn this workflow off, which is what you had to do in the past. Now you just set it up from the very beginning. You know that you're good. This thing's going to get turned off, and you're not going to be sending emails that will be inappropriate because the date has passed. So this is a really nice feature now.
Yeah. And no matter what, don't ever forget to press save at the bottom. A lot of people miss this just because it's in the bottom corner, but here's your save. So just because I did this and I go away doesn't mean it's going to be saved. So make sure you click save on this area.